Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. On last week's episode, we met Preetam and Pallavi, who are this beautiful couple who live in this homestay at Binsar. They taught us about how to live off the grid and why it's necessary for everyone to learn how to do it. This week, we'll be meeting the Loki Fellowship participants, and together we will be exploring the food and culture at Binsar. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the little montage that I just created, and I still can't get over this view. I mean, like, look at that. It's so beautiful. It's so cold outside. Like, I'm wearing, like, you can't see this, but I'm actually wearing 3 layers of clothing, and I'm wearing 2 pairs of socks, and it's very bad. It's cold, and my hands are like freezing. I can't even like touch my phone on the camera. So the next thing on the agenda for today is breakfast, and I'll see you guys there. Okay, start. क्या है?
ये हेल्दी ग्रीन जूस एप्पल स्पिनच कुकम्बर
Okay. Thank you.
कोल्ड फ्रेश जूस
Thank you. Hello. Say good morning to the camera. Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Mona.
Yeah, I'm just having my juice for breakfast. So how was your sleep?
Went off by 9:30. I don't remember in Bombay ever we have gone.
Yeah, same. I slept
Like
so
9,
early.
9:15.
Yeah, it was so nice. At the morning, I woke up at 6 o'clock and.
I woke up at around 5:45 to see if I could see the sun rays, but
Oh,
because of
okay.
the clouds, I
Sun
couldn't
rays I could see, but I saw the mountains over there. It was so beautiful.
get- Yeah, I also
It
saw.
was so nice. Say good morning.
Hi.
Good morning, everybody.
This is the communal place where we eat together. It's lovely to be here.
Yeah. Have fun at breakfast, everybody.
Yes.
What is that you're eating, Mona?
Egg omelette with lot of chilies.
Yeah, he made really good omelets for us. See? Okay, so Indy and Loki are gonna tell us what we're gonna be doing next. We just finished with our breakfast. And yeah, what are we going to do, guys?
So we're going to take Praneeth for a walk around the property and also show the wildlife habitat and
The viewpoint.
no, I'm not going to go that far, but yeah, just around the property and have a bit of a stroll around the property.
Okay, so guys, we just finished up with breakfast and we said goodbye to a few people who were leaving today. And now we're gonna be walking through the property and we'll be showing you guys around.
Yep. So finally, I just wanted to tell the plant-based food that grows in Binsar Forest Retreat, and we have a lovely man, Suresh here. Namaste.
Hello.
Namaste.
Namaste.
He's going to take us around the property, explain about the various wild food that we can forage. He just, while he was introducing himself, he did tell me that this is something you can cook with these leaf. वो क्या है आपका?
इसको कहते हैं पत्थर चट्टा
पत्थर चट्टा.
पत्थर चट्टा कहते हैं इसको
हाँ हाँ
पत्थर चट्टा कहते हैं इसका जो पेट मुंह होता है ना
हाँ.
पथरी कहते हैं
हाँ
उसको
Stones.
स्टोन वो भी निकालते
Huh.
निकलते हैं oh so is yeah
So when you have stones in your stomach, so you cook with this, and then it will help you remove it.
medicinal value for
Yeah, medicinal.
removing the stones from your kidney so it has that properties in it
Medicinal plant.
yeah so
हैं हाँ
okay
छोटा वाला ये
yeah
इसको धो के
हाँ
और आप पकौड़ी चाहे साबुत बनाना चाहो
oh this is a matured leaf and this is a
The
soft,
baby ones.
baby
Yeah,
ones.
okay.
You can make pakoras of with them. So I also saw a wild turmeric that grows really in
jungli
abundance. Huh? Yeah. This is the one. Yeah, Wana?
हाँ ये
So this is a.
निकाल सकते हैं इसकी गांठ होगी अंदर बहुत मोटी
So what he says is these turmeric, wild turmeric, does not have color in them, but they have the properties,
Flavor,
flavor.
smell.
And this-
Does it, the
this
smell
baby-
smell is there also?
Yeah, kinda.
Sure.
Because this baby. We
Oh,
don't have
yeah,
the color, but
yeah.
it's got a subtle flavor in it.
It's so good.
That's beautiful. Beautiful.
Hi, Indy.
Yeah, you wanna come? Hello. He's gonna join us for
Our walk.
property walk. He explored more than I did. It's a beautiful way they set up that they set up places for the birds to come have their feed.
Yeah.
So they feed the birds every day early in the morning 7 a.m. How is this morning?
Hello.
Factor of the plants that I see here is each one has their own geometrical designs. If you see this plant, it's amazing. And
इसकी भी चटनी बनती है सर इसको आप खाएंगे खट्टा मीठा होगा सॉफ्ट चटनी ये
khatta meeta. So let's see. Oh,
ये भी जो होता है
Yeah.
it's got an acidic flavor, and then it's got a sweet aroma as well. Chew it.
हाँ, खट्टा मीठा होता है
Say,
It's
so
good. I like it.
those who didn't know about it and have a taste about it, they'll be like, the brains go bonkers. Oh, is that Timur?
इसमें फल आएगा आप
I know. So this is the Himalayan belt.
जी जी
So Timur is basically the other name for Timur is Szechuan pepper.
Okay.
ये मैग बहुत अच्छी आएगी इसमें फल आता है जैसा सेब होता है एप्पल
कौन सा फल?
फल आता है इसमें इतना बड़ा फल आता है
हाँ.
इसको कहते हैं घिंगारू
Gingaru.
घिंगारू
Jingaru.
इसका फल को हम खाते हैं
Gingaru.
Jingaru.
एकदम क्या नाम इसका रेड होता है
हाँ.
अब आएगा इसमें फल टाइम हो रहा है इसका आने
तो
So,
मीठा भी नहीं
flavor?
लगता है।
मीठा नहीं लगता
हाँ
है.
ज़्यादा फीका भी नहीं लगता है
तो फ्रूट जैसा है,
हाँ
वेजिटेबल जैसा.
हाँ वेजिटेबल जैसा
Is it edible?
Vegetable. No, so you get fruit from it, and it's
लाल आ जाता है सर, लाल-
not very
लाल-
sweet.
इसका फल भी काम आता है ये फल क्या है? ये फल इसका कुछ दवाई बनती है
दवाई?
हाँ दवाई आयुर्वेदिक का
हाँ.
इसका उपयोग होता है
दोई का मतलब क्या है?
वो दवाई आयुर्वेदिक में काम आता है ये
दो ही बोले तो.
वो जैसे हड्डी में दर्द हुआ
हाँ.
इसको कुछ बना के हड्डी में लगाते हैं
तो मेडिसिन बोलते हैं
हाँ,
आप.
पर
Medicine.
मेडिसिन को दो ही बोलते हैं.
हाँ,
So,
हाँ,
okay,
इसको
दवाई.
हाँ
Dawai.
इसको दवाई
Yeah, no.
So this spines around the stem, and also the entire
Wow.
leaf has
You could see the tiny
fine,
hairs.
Tiny hairs.
Okay.
इसे भी यूज करते हैं हम लोग वैसे जैसे पराठे बनाते हैं
Parathe.
हाँ, सब्जी भी बनाते हैं इसकी ज़्यादा मतलब
ऐसे-
हाथ में लगेगा।
Be careful. Be careful.
ऐसे खा सकते हैं?
नहीं ऐसे हाँ 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 वैसे भी खा सकते हैं पका के भी
पका के।
हाँ पका के भी खा सकते
Soft. I would say if you blanch them and just flavor them with salt and turmeric and ginger and garlic. It's plenty.
It smells good.
And let's taste the leaf.
Oh, you can eat it?
Yeah,
Oh my
anything.
God.
इसमें भी इतना बड़ा फल आता है
हाँ.
उसको हम लोग यूज करते हैं
Oh, पता नहीं है उसमें फल आता है. अच्छा. So
अब आएगा इसमें फल
So you get a fruit from it.
yeah, this one. उसका नाम क्या है फल का?
हमने इसका नाम पता है हिसालू
Salu.
हिसालू
Isalu. Look at them.
बहुत ही फल आता है
Very hairy.
Oh yeah, look at the branch.
Yeah.
You get a
इसको
pink
सूखे.
flower.
Yeah, that's what he said. This used to be red flour that
And
soaked in
soup.
water. Yeah.
And you can make
And you can make a drink out of
Drink out
it.
of it. Which you had when you
Yes, I did.
came. Tent experience in this Binsar forest retreat. So they have 8 cottages, 2 tents.
Yeah. So this is a tent.
Yeah, tent is another experience where you can live like a safari.
ये सर बांज कहते हैं इसको
हाँ, acorn.
बांज का फल है ये इसका फल है ये
Acorn.
पेड़ है पांगर ये पांगर का पेड़ है
Pangar.
पांगर इसमें इतना बड़ा निकलता है तो बाहर से कांटे कांटे होते हैं उसमें
हाँ.
अंदर का फल यूज करते हैं हम लोग खाते हैं उसको।
Nandakunti.
बहुत आते हैं इसमें खत्म
Yeah.
हो गया आगे आप
That's my room.
खत्म हो गया इसका टाइम खत्म हो गया पांगर कहते हैं इसको
हाँ.
इसलिए इसका नाम पांगर रखा है
Chestnut.
Chestnut. Oh, so this is a chestnut tree.
Tree. So this is what you get from this tree here. It's called chestnut tree, and that's the chestnut.
There are so many of us nowadays who are less inspired than others. We feel as if we're stuck in this box, but the truth is, the only one holding the key to the door is you, and only you can think out of the box. Loki taught us a lot of things, and one of the main things is that you can use nature as a huge tool for inspiration.
Come in
Okay, let's go.
on wild safari.
Yeah, what are we doing?
Okay, we are heading down the hill to
On a-
receive our foodie
Friends.
retreat people, colleagues,
On the back
and
of the truck.
co-creators. Yeah, this is going to be fun because we are standing on the back of the truck.
I
It's
don't know
rough
how we're gonna do
terrain,
this, yeah.
And Praneeth is strapped
Hopefully
up
I
with
won't
the
fall
camera.
off.
And it's
I don't
his
know
first
how he's
time.
going to handle this, but good luck to you, Praneeth. That is so good. Look at the performance of this four-wheel drive. And we're gonna be crazy. We're gonna be 8 of us.
In this car.
Yeah, wow.
Just turn it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is awesome.
He's having the best time of his life.
Oh my god.
So am I. And so is Indy, and so will be the others.
Yeah.
And I feel like I become a kid.
Yeah, exactly.
Like literally a 5-year-old kid. It gives it tremendous joy. Wow. Yeah.
Whoa, look at that. That is crazy.
It's going to be awesome. And time has come to welcome our guests.
Whoa.
And there they are.
Hello.
Look at them having fun all by themselves.
Who's having
You know this guy? He's more famous than me.
Yes, he is.
Praneeth.
Hello everybody.
Know both of them, but
Yeah.
meeting for the first time. And Indy's welcoming everybody here.
Awesome.
So this guy is a notorious gang leader, and she's a humble strategist. And this guy is we need to get to know about him.
Yeah.
And Utkarsh is a silent killer. And Pranit, what are you?
I have no idea.
The cattle herder.
Yeah.
And Indy is the entertainer here.
And just like that, today's episode comes to an end. Nature is one of the best ways to learn to cook. Today, we learned that if we go outside and open our eyes wide enough, we can find the ingredients that can do magic. We don't need a bunch of fancy ingredients. Even local ingredients can make your food stand out in a crowd.